How many times has this happened to you? You bake up a batch of beautiful muffins or cupcakes only to have them stick to the liners. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own tulip-style muffin liners that peel away without leaving a crumb behind. So you can make your own muffin liners by taking a piece of parchment paper and cutting it into 6 by 6 inch squares. So you'll be able to get 4 liners out of each sheet of standard size parchment paper. So at the 12-inch mark, you'll cut it. I found the easiest and quickest way to cut the parchment paper is to fold it and then just take a knife and run it up the side. Then again, you'll fold this into squares. Then fold it again. You'll need to find a glass or anything that's got a round tapered end. So I found that the best way to make these muffin tin liners or cupcake liners is to first take your square and fold it into fourths. Most of the tutorials that I've seen online have you do this, but I like to add this next step. I think that it helps define your points a little better. If you take it and fold it corner to corner as well, that helps define those points as you're trying to fit it around your glass or jar or whatever it is that you're using as your mold. So now that I've got these points defined, I'm going to find my center and I'm going to take the corners and fold them. Now you want them all facing the same direction. So let's say I'm going, I guess this is clockwise here. And it's kind of tough to hold on to that center because as you're working, things want to slide. But once you have those 4 corners defined, then the sides are just a little bit easier, the short sides I guess I should say, to guide into place. Now you could save yourself all this hassle and just buy these online, but I found that they were kind of expensive on Amazon and I didn't want to wait for them to come in the mail. So that's all there is to it. It really doesn't take a whole lot more effort to give your cupcakes that special little touch. If you're interested in how to make the blueberry muffins, I'm working on a video for them right now. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.